Before we begin, I just want to say that I do not usually post on Fridays. However, a viewer that shall remain nameless has told me that a subscriber by the name of Emily is celebrating a birthday today. Now, this viewer also mentioned that Emily would like a recipe of chocolate chip cookies. I do have a video of chocolate chip cookies, and that will be in the description below. In this video, I will be making beef bourguignon. The recipe will be in the description below as well. So please like and subscribe to this video. Also, my contest is still going on, and the rules will be at the end of this video. Once again, happy birthday, Emily. First, cut up the vegetables. I cut up 3 carrots and 3 celery stalks and 1 onion. First pot, brown the stewing beef. This was a pound of stewing beef. As you cook the stewing beef, liquid will come out. Drain this in a bowl and continue to brown the stewing beef. When beef is brown, remove it. Add in all the chopped vegetables and saute it for about 15 minutes. Add back the beef juice as well as the sauteed beef. Next, add the beef stock and 2 cups of red wine, as well as seasoning such as salt and pepper. Next, add in tomato paste, bring it to a boil and simmer for 3 hours. After, add in the chunks of potato, celery, and carrots. Once soft, it is ready to serve. This will take about 45 minutes. there you have it, beef bourguignon. We did it! The channel has reached 100 subscribers. As promised, I will be holding a contest. Whoever has commented on my video during the past 2 years will be automatically entered into the contest. However, you still have time to enter. Just leave a comment in one of my previous videos. You have from September the 3rd, 2022 to September the 9th, 2022 to comment on a video. I will announce the winner on September the 10th. He or she will receive an Uber gift card valued at $50 Canadian. If you commented on my channel more than once, you will have multiple entries, so good luck to everyone.